Applying standard effects. So here I have a little clip of a golf ball being putted. And I'm going to apply a standard effect to this clip. To do that, I'm going to come down to my project browser. I'm going to go to my effects. You can see I have a lot of different effects here. I'm going to come down to my video effects. I'm going to go to blur and sharpen. I'm going to go to Gaussian blur. I'm going to drag and drop that onto this particular clip. Now, a Gaussian blur, by the way, is when they hide the face of the informant in, our news shows or whatever. And I'm going to go up to my effect controls, and I'm going to come down till I get Gaussian blur. Now, I can apply it to the whole clip itself, which I don't want to do. I just want to blur out the golf ball. So I could do that with an ellipse or a polygon or freehand. I'm going to do it with an ellipse and just click on here. You can see I can position this thing where I want. Right? I can change the size of it a little bit. Okay. And then I'm going to come down here into my blurriness. Right? I'm going to say it's going to be really blurry, like 90%. And you can see over here how it gets blurry. All right. So as I come over here, and you can see I'll play this. Right? It comes into the clip and applies that Gaussian blur through the whole clip. Okay. And if I get to the end, you can see just at the very bottom here, the bottom of the golf ball is clear. It's out of this rounded ellipse area that I've masked off for my Gaussian blur. So you can see over here my Gaussian blur is over here, and I can configure that however I want. And so I've just applied a standard effect. Now there are many kinds of standard effects. However, they all have the basic effects. I mean, the procedure to do the effect. So no matter what they are, the basics are the same. So we just applied the standard effect, and in this case, it's called a Gaussian blur.